In order to develop a holistic financial plan for yourself, you will need to enter information about multiple things. The first section in data entry is the family section. Here, you not only enter your profile, but also the profile of all family members for whom you are going to create a plan. In spending, you typically look at the expenses that you or your family incur during the month or the year. In income, various sources of income that contribute to a household are added. In assets, we take a note of all the assets that you have. Liabilities are the loans that you hold. They are automatically calculated and categorized as short-term and long-term liabilities. Once these two sections are completed, you are ready to plan for your future. Goals is where you start entering details of your future goals that you and your family would have. Once all goals are created and prioritized, we go into the final section, which is risk. In risk, we look at two distinct areas. In insurance, we use the expense-based method to calculate the life insurance required by you and your family. In the risk appetite questionnaire, we use behavioral finance to estimate and arrive at a risk appetite for you. Once you have completed filling all these sections, you are ready to look at your own customized financial plan. The advice section is divided into 4 different areas. In the current financial state, we try to objectively assess the financial health of you and your family. In the goal analysis section, we look at each goal objectively and try to provide unbiased and realistic advice. We use the information that has been provided by the current financial state to assess if a goal is achievable completely, is achievable only partially, or not achievable. In the risk section, we use the expense-based methodology to arrive at the life insurance requirement of the individual. The expenses that are calculated as part of the current financial state are used to arrive at the numbers. Investment planning is the final step of your financial plan. In this section, we combine the information from current financial state, your goals, your risks, and the questionnaire that you have filled in to arrive at a risk appetite. Your risk appetite will then lead into a recommended asset allocation. We allow you to then move your existing portfolio into the recommended portfolio in the recast section. Once the planning is completed, it is time for you to execute the plan. In Arthos, execute happens offline. Manage section is used to ensure that we can manage and monitor our plan. Currently, you only have the tracker facility available in this section.